Hello, 7th grade. This is Mrs. Ross. Obviously, I'm not there. I'd much rather be there than here, but I'm getting well and I'm hoping that I'll be there on Friday. We will see what the docs say. So let's go ahead and see what you guys are doing on Thursday. Let's see. Okay, one word about Quizlet, or not Quizlet, I'm sorry, quizzes. Whether you've joined or not is fine. I didn't realize that they were asking you guys for your private information, and that's not okay. So Mr. Moore and Mrs. Adams are kind of working through how we can use quizzes without having to put in our private information. I checked the box that said that you didn't have to put your email in, so I'm not exactly sure what happened. Mrs. Adams and I have been talking about what they're asking you guys, and it's just not cool. So we're going to kind of put that on hold. That's why this is unpublished here. You probably can't see it in your on your page. So so this is what I have for Thursday. I have that we're going to discuss, review, and check these notes and have this quiz. Now, I don't want to do that because I want to go over the notes with you. So we're going to postpone this quiz. Hold on to the notes. I'd hate for you guys to lose any of these notes and then we have a quiz. But hold on to the notes and we will do the quiz at some time when I get back. You are supposed to turn in your PhET Forces in Motion Lab, and you can do that either on Schoology or you can put it in the box. If you did it on paper, that's fine. And then there's the Forces in Motion Escape Room. So that's actually not due until Monday. And I thought there was one other thing. Hold on, let me check. There is. Oh, I forgot to put it there. So the Forces in Motion Escape Room is due on Monday. And then there's one more thing, the Science of Downhill Skiing. So let's go to that. Click on that. And this. And this. Labs and activities. Science of Downhill Skiing. Now, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can't see yet, but the only thing that I want you to be concerned about is this this article, which kind of sets up what we're going to be doing for the lab. So it says, read the attached article and answer the questions on the bottom. Spoiler alert, this is in preparation for hands-on lab. And let me open this up. You might have to go ahead and print it. So, since it's a PDF. But it has this article, and then it has these terms. Now, one of these terms is not in the article. I don't remember which one it is. It might be surface area. But whichever term it is that's not in the article, you're welcome to search it. When you search for that term, what you're going to want to do is make sure you say definition of, let's say, surface area in science, okay, or else it will give you something crazy. I searched for drag this year, and it gave me something really crazy. So, you know, the drag force in science. Anyway, either way, so I do have that, and that's, I think, going to be due. Let's see what I put. Oh, I think it's on here. Okay, here, due Monday the 30th. Okay, so it's a pretty quick article. It just has a few questions at the bottom, so just to kind of lead into our lab. So that's what I've got. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Otherwise, hopefully I'll see you guys on Friday.